Need a simple way to split, merge, or rotate PDF files? PDFsam Basic is a free and open-source PDF tool that's easy to install and works on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to install PDFsam Basic in 2026. So let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the official PDFsam website. Downloading from the official source helps ensure you get the latest and safest version. Using the official website also gives you access to downloads for different operating systems. Next, choose PDFsam Basic, then select the version that's compatible with your operating system. Click the download button and wait for the installer to finish downloading. Make sure you're downloading the free Basic edition if that's the version you want. Once the download is complete, locate the installer in your Downloads folder and open it. If Windows asks for permission to make changes to your device, choose Yes to continue. Follow the installation wizard by accepting the license agreement, choosing an installation location if needed, and clicking Install. Yeah, the default settings work well for most users. After the installation finishes, click Finish to close the setup wizard. Then open PDFsam Basic from your desktop or the Start menu. The application should launch in just a few seconds. Finally, open one of the available tools, like Merge or Split, to confirm that PDFsam Basic is installed correctly and ready to use. So once you see the main workspace, you're all set to start managing your PDF files, and that's how to install PDFsam Basic. With just a few simple steps, you'll have a powerful PDF management tool ready to merge, split, rotate, and organize your documents. I mean, it's a quick installation, and the free version offers plenty of useful features. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.